Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? Guys, this is Spiderman. Wow, what a nice and very powerful superhero. This is Spiderman. Guys, this is the action figure and fighting hero. This is Brock Lesnar. Guys, this is Ninja Warrior. What a beautiful and very charming superhero Ninja Warrior. Guys, this is Captain America, guys. Wow, what a nice and very wonderful superhero Captain America. Guys, this is beautiful and amazing superhero. This is Batman. Wow. Guys, this is very fancy and very amazing superhero, guys. This is Thor. Wow. Guys, this is very smart and very unique superhero. This is Spiderman. Wow. Guys, this is the action figure and very cute fighting hero. This is Triple H, guys. Wow. Guys, this is very fantastic superhero, guys. This is Venom. Wow. Guys, this is amazing and very powerful superhero, guys. This is Hulk. I check the body shape of this superhero, guys. This is Hulk. Wow. Guys, this is the mini superhero. This is Green Lantern. Wow. Amazing, guys. Guys, this is very mini superhero. This is Batman. Wow.